little trick with the marker to... So when I cut so apart, I know exactly where it needs to kind of go.
You can see him just cleaning up the piece and just set it right down there. And he's going to TIG weld. TIG welding is a great, very fine weld. There's all sorts of different welding options out there. There's TIG, there's MIG, there's rod, there's Heliarc. But you know, this is a MIG welder, and that's good for some heavy frame stuff. But the TIG welder really does really nice for really fine detail, small welds, and it truly is an art form. And it's certainly one that you have to work at. So if I was just getting here real quick, I can show you that there it is. It's a very small and detailed bead, but it's very, very strong, and there's very little splatter. There really is no splatter at all, and it makes it such that you can do small sections, have very little warping, and the heat stays very compact on the metal. It doesn't flare out and cause problems. So he'll finish that out, do a bit of grinding, probably hammer it up here a little bit, continue on.